We strongly believe that we have to build the country together, be it through our industrial ventures or be it through our education initiatives. That is the philosophy we've always carried. Now, today what I want to share with you is something which we feel is revolutionary. We have reimagined the way we learn, and we are the future of education. Today, I'm very excited to launch Hero Wired. Wired is a combination of two words, virtual and education. We believe Hero Wired will be the future of learning. Hero Wired will change the way we learn and help address some of the big skill challenges the country faces.
I'm under pressure to perform. I know I cannot afford to fail. I know if I perform well by evening 4:30, I'll be a hero to all the people in the country. So I miss that challenge. I miss that pressure. I miss that expectation every morning. And I think that is something which every individual should learn to embrace. You should look at every situation as an opportunity. The people want to compete with the world. The people want to beat the Western world in terms of business, in terms of sports, in terms of cinema. They all want to get better. So there's a massive urge in India to compete with the Western world and tell them, hey, listen, we are as good as you are. And I think that's a great sign in the Indian system.
Who we associate with and the positivity we bring around us is also important. So seek the right people, the right mentors, the right individuals who help you grow and get rid of the negatives around you to the extent you can, because those only bear in on you and pull you down, rather than learning by rote. So not only is it how we deliver digital education, but also the ability of the individual to have access at a level which we otherwise would not have. So every professional program should have a digital, if not a majorly digital component to it.
If we can encourage that through the learning journey, then the idea of saying, well, I may not know the answers. In fact, I certainly don't know the answers as I start on this journey of entrepreneurship. But I have a certain amount of confidence and courage inside, right? And I'm willing to try that. Too many people get stuck trying to visualize that they have to come up with some idea that no one's ever thought of and then form it. And they say, well, since I can't do that, I might as well not start. But that's not the deal. There's always something that has to be improved. Can you improve water, sanitation? Oh, that's a worldwide market. Can you improve food distribution? Worldwide market. Can you improve the recycling process to put less things in the ground or burn less things?
I think the biggest gap is understanding how to make your passion into a career. That's a huge gap.
If you had to just say one line to them, one diktat to live by, what would it be?
My one advice to this generation is whatever they decide to do, they have to understand it's a long game. Nothing comes easy. Success won't come easy. Celebrity status won't come easy. Business profits won't come easy. It's a long game. So they're willing to invest their time and energy and hard work into doing what they think that they want to do, then they should go in for the long haul.